Hello YouTube. We're not in a test right now. This is a live power outage. As you can see, all my signs are working. I plugged this in because I took it down from my room when we started painting, and I plugged it in like when we took it down just so I can have light. And you can see that that's working nice now. And also the dual EVHC, I'm gonna show you that now. Yeah, it's right now raining. I don't believe that though, that caused it. It happens pretty frequently for us, but I got this combo fixed. Working nice, and all the breakers are on too, so it's nothing I did. Can't turn on the desk light anymore because of course the power's out. The light switches over here. That's the attic light. So, no clue when it's gonna come back, but this is a quick little video because I've never had a power outage. Well, I haven't been home with a power outage. My system isn't even plugged in, so I can't even get that on video. But this is the light that goes in my room. This is the light that goes into the panel room. And as you can see, that all of my units in the garage are just lighting up this place. So I'll make an update video when it comes back on, but we don't have any power right now. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you updated when the power comes back on. Hello, it's been about an hour and a half, and these signs, it's an hour and a half or more. I can't remember when the power last went out. Simply Safe is right now arming, and the only one that's really on is this unit, because these two, as you know, I'm running the wrong batteries in them, and they went out a long time ago. But this is still going, and my ELM2 is still going, and actually this is still going. And then I'll also show you Simply Safe. Simply Safe is still going, as well as the base station. The fire alarm system's not on because the security system's unplugged, as well as that. I'll also show you the update to the room while we're here. So as you can see, the beds are now put in, and that tape we have to peel up. The sign is going to be mounted on the ceiling, the emergency light and everything. The fire alarm, pole station, it all have to be mounted. That has to be put back into the wall. So I'm not going to give the update when the power comes back on because I don't know how long it's going to be. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this little power outage video, and hopefully we get this back soon.